Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Bell Vega. A special shout out to all our subscribers, your support means the world to us. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Today, we've got something super exciting lined up. We're going to be creating a website for the classic game rock, paper, scissors. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, this tutorial is perfect for you. So grab your favorite coding snack, and let's dive in. Alright, let's start with setting up our basic HTML structure. Then start to programming the title name and how you want to view your website. Tips while coding are to learn the basics of HTML structure, including elements like div and h1. Understand how to create a simple layout for your game. Div elements are used to group together related elements, such as navigation links, paragraphs, or images. The h1 to h6 elements represent headings of different levels in HTML, with h1 being the highest, most important, and h6 the lowest. First, create a separate CSS file named styles.css. You can name it anything you prefer, and link it to your HTML file using the link tag in the head section of your HTML file. We aren't done coding in HTML, instead we are write the CSS for your game. We'll start with basic styling and then enhance it to make the game more visually appealing and user-friendly. We need to add color to the background. Tip: use comments to explain CSS. Adding comments, / comment here */ to your CSS code helps you and others understand why certain styles are applied. It's especially useful when you revisit your code later for beginners. Then we go back to HTML, add the links to an external CSS file, stylesweb.css, for styling the web page. This is the name I decide for my style sheet for CSS. Container, div class equals container web wraps all content to center and style the game elements. Heading, h1 displays the title rock paper scissors. Scoreboard, div class equals scoreboard, contains scores for both the player, you, and the computer, AI computer.
I'ma lose my mind, I'ma poker face. Keep your eyes on me, you know, just in case, just in case, just in case. Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Great! Now that we have our HTML and CSS structure set up, let's move on to the JavaScript code. JavaScript allows the user to click the image we add in HTML. Would be able to play and see the scoreboard. This is where we'll define the game logic to handle user interactions and determine the winner. Let's break down this JavaScript code step by step. Game playing, user choices. This function handles the core game logic. It generates a random choice for the AI computer. It compares the user's choice with the computer's choice. Depending on the comparison, it updates the score and displays the result. Update score, winner. This function updates the score based on who won the round. It retrieves the current score from the HTML elements and increments it based on the winner.